your difference. And today I'd like to speak to you about how you can enhance your business model by identifying your most profitable products and how they actually come together into your strategy. So one of the struggles I see businesses facing all the time is which products should they sell, which products should they develop, and where should they actually put most of the marketing and sales effort. Now there is actually a principle called Pareto principle, which is applied to that marketing and sales strategy, which will help you enhance your profitability. What Pareto actually said is this, okay? 20% of your customers make up 80% of your revenue. Okay? Now, this model has been tested across many companies in other areas as well, including productivity, and it's always found to be true. What that means is that 20% of your customers actually make up 80% of your revenue, because there is a product or maybe a group of products that seems to work better with the value that your business wants to offer and what the customer actually wants to buy. And when you combine that, it's customers that are basically, they cost less to serve, they might cost less to acquire. There could be all sorts of consideration that make up that customer group. Now, what you need to consider is that that customer group needs to be a large percentage of your customer base, but it doesn't have to be all of your customer base, because there could be other considerations that it will be worthwhile for your business to develop into other channels or to serve additional markets from strategic reasons, okay? It could be the reason that that market has a growing potential in the next couple of years, so you could be positioning yourself to that market so that it ends up being a larger percentage of your revenue later on. But when you look at your business model, you gotta consider which of your customers currently fall into that 20% group according to the cost that it costs you to acquire them, to market to them, to serve them, and then position yourself in a way where you can acquire more of those customers so you can continuously grow. And then investigate all of your other products and see what's the viability is in terms of your business, strategic business growth. And if they're not strategic, if they're not profitable, then these are the products you should consider to cut in the near future. I hope this clarified some of the business model questions you might have. And if you have any additional questions, please feel free to leave them under this video, and I'll be happy to answer each and every one of you. I'll see you soon.